This is outside the bedroom windows by the power box. There's just tulips. But they're beautiful. Yep, it's time to cut down the grass, but as you can see, it's like up to my thighs already. See that? Up to my thighs. I don't have no chickens out here to eat the bugs in the grass. There's a nice beauty. Let's see, we'll take you over here to my medicinal tree. This is, what's it called? Acynthia or something like that. Acynthia. Absenthia, something like that. And here we are. These are starting to fade already, but they were bloomed. They'll probably bloom again. Nice daffodils. The dandelions. This one's a dandelion, or not dandelion, doggone it. Daffodil. Buttercups. There's a buttercup over here. Buttercup. There's a buttercup. We got some different colored buttercups over here. And a nice healthy dandelion. Trees in bloom. The crabapple trees right here, I suppose is what they are. Have no idea, actually. And I think this is this is that big tree that puts off those little black seed fruits. Here's the apple tree. Lots of blooms this year. We'll see if it actually produces anything. Last year it didn't produce anything. As you can see, it looks like right now, anyway, the apricot tree must be dead. This apricot tree must be dead. I'm guessing. I don't know. This one over here has a little bit on it, but it looks like it's not doing so well. And that's that. Another crabapple tree by the chicken house. Some more dandelion, not dandelions. Tulips. Bluebonnets. Bluebonnets. Messy yard. More messy yard. By the fire pit. And over here in the back, some more flowers. Messy yard. Lots of messy yard. The tree that Brian cut the arm off of. Fucking asshole. Fire pit. I love you.